Hello, welcome. This is a little bit of behind the scenes of the Pocket Square Club and what you can expect inside. This is where you'll land when you join. So you come to the community page. Now there's not a lot here yet because we're brand new and I'm looking forward to you filling it up. The classroom is being populated and when you join you will start here. So click in here and work your way through each of these. You'll also have tutorials made available to you, and as you climb the leaderboard, resources will be unlocked for you. They're currently in draft mode and as I'm finishing them off, but as you climb the leaderboard, each of these resources will be unlocked for you. You can find out how many points you need to get to the next level. To find out where you are on the leaderboard and how many points that you have, you can click on the leaderboard tab here, and at any time it will tell you at what level you are and what resources it has unlocked. It hasn't got any in here at the moment because they're all in draft mode, but as soon as those have been published, they will appear here along each name. As you can see, it's a bit of a homage to The Simpsons, which I loved growing up, and my son is also loving it, and I just love how it's something that connects the two of us. So that was a very quick behind the scenes because it's very new and there's not a lot in there at the moment, and I'm looking forward to growing it with you. I'll see you inside.